Avoiding SAP skills commoditization is a constant challenge for most white-collar professionals, and the SAP Pro is no exception. Of course, becoming a commodity is a matter of degrees. All of us have areas within our skills that are trending, and areas where the demand for that skills is leveling off. It is less and less a simple supply and demand issue for one particular skill. It's about having a stable core of skills and several emerging skills. But it is also about a mindset change. It's about being in the cloud and understanding on-demand trends. It's about business intelligence and knowing how to bring actionable information to light on transactional systems. It's about being able to move across the aisle and work with techno-functional teams. It is about greening your skills to help companies go beyond compliance into learner models of production. It is about being able to step out of the cubicle and help solve business problems. It's about being on the edge of company interaction where customers and partners live. For that reason, it is hard to break down one key technical skill and hone in on the level of pure demand. SAP skills have become a core wrapped in concentric skills layers of SAP skills, soft skills, PBX process skills, consulting skills, and edge trends. And now more than ever, community involvement plays a key role in sustaining skills through self-education and ideally to open up new markets. And yes, it's about social networking, with the caveat that you must grasp the difference between organically expanding influence and chasing popularity. Paradoxically, expanding your social influence is about leaving the herd and creating your own channel and distinct perspective. With that said, here are some key tactics for skills differentiation categorized in 5 key categories. Not all of them will be appropriate for you, so pick and choose. Most of them are covered in greater detail in articles, videos, blogs, and podcasts on johnrp.com. Even virtuosos must be able to work in a team context. The era of SAP mercenary who can move as a hired gun from project to project at obscene rates is over. Being a so-called virtuoso in a particular area of SAP can help you stand out in the market, but only if you can function well in a team goal context. Pursue team lead and higher management roles. In particular, the senior hands-on team lead who still has hands in technology, but who can push team forward, can stand out. Aspire to relevant PBX-flavored roles like the enterprise architect and solution architect on the technical side of SAP, and the business process expert roles on the functional side. These can be senior roles that offer a different career track for those who want to be in cutting-edge project roles without moving into classic management ladder climbing. Move to the edge of the enterprise and excel in roles that require extensive interaction, collaboration, and requirement gathering with partners and customers. Be that go-to person who knows the social and business tools that enable that collaboration. Pursue the hardest of the soft skills. Being able to pull business requirements of users who are not as familiar with SAP is one such skill. Soft skills are gaining more and more traction in SAP, as we realize it is not only about being someone who is to approach and get advice from. Soft skills encompass SAP project methodologies, cultural change management, and in particular, SAP methodology with PPM enhancement. Head into new technical areas, ideally those that extend logically from your core skills. Chasing out area doesn't work. By ensuring you are on the latest versions and platform extensions for your area matters. Solve business problems. Know how to quantify how you have saved your company money or built new revenue streams and add this quantified information to all your resumes and online profiles such as LinkedIn. Being able to quantify your impact and articulate that is becoming a key SAP career skill. Understand end-to-end business scenarios in an industry-specific context. Knowing your industry across multiple projects and combining a skills focus with a process-based and workflow-driven understanding of how you fit into your company or client's business strategy is vital. Before going social, identify the areas in SAP you are truly passionate about and develop ways of sharing content pertaining to that area, like blogs, videos, workshops, and free open source programs. Use the power of poll to pull in filtered SAP information in your focus area on a regular basis and apply this information into your project of continual self-education. This gives you the ability to build a relationship with other key experts. If you go social to build your community network online, do it with a purpose. Don't chase popularity. Focus on influence through relationship building with peers. No mindless retweeting or reblogging or adding to the noise. Average content doesn't stand out anymore. Exceptional content does. Social is a purpose that drives your involvement across online communities, whether it's SCN, LinkedIn, Twitter, or online user group. Build your online presence in a manageable way over time, so that you're rarely put in a position to post "I'm available" in your LinkedIn profile. If you interact in a consistent way and help others by giving your free information of value, offers should come to you, and you can take proactive steps rather than putting up "I need work" sign. Adopt the share the value mindset of the free internet era. That means don't hoard all your intellectual property. Share some of it freely. Don't offer only visual teasers and frustrating partial solutions. Offer a full solution to give companies a chance to truly gain a piece of value from you. When you do so, they will be back for more. Consider productizing your knowledge into bona fide SAP solutions, whether boxed software programs or starting a service firm that uses intellectual property like training manuals to differentiate. Decide whether to give away or sell such content on a case-by-case basis. Giving away content tends to build market and brand awareness. Selling a product is best done in the context where there is already a free community foundation of your work in place. In the midst of economic insecurity, clinging to a job doesn't work. What works better is taking on bold projects that re-inspire your courage creativity, often with collaborators inside and outside of the workplace. Use those projects to build your industry reputation beyond company walls, making you less dependent on one employer. Do not shrink at the sight of adversity. Adversity is everywhere right now. Use adversity to hone your business model and dispassionately evaluate your approach by showing what is not working and make adjustments. And the final piece, consider lifestyle adjustments to make costs of living more compatible with virtual consulting. Between offshore trends, remote consulting, and emerging on-demand consulting models, there are more and more opportunities to work from home or from a local center. In the end, I hope you will have found these tactics useful for you, and thanks for listening.